Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. So today it's gonna be a kind of review of a restaurant named Big Yellow Door that's near Delhi University, I guess. So my initial plan was to post a video about street food in Delhi. So I went out with one of my friend, but we ended up in this restaurant. We have ordered this burger. We actually asked them like what's their specialty in burger and pizza. So they said it's a cheese palm burger, which is this one, and a pizza, which is paneer tikka, I guess. So we have ordered both. And the thing is, I am doing a voiceover because there was a loud music playing in the background, and I might get a copyright strike. That's the reason why I have to do a voiceover. So about this burger, uh, it was around 183, I guess. And for the patty, that's the main part of the burger. It was like just a normal patty. It's nothing new, nothing unique. It's like a frozen patty. And I believe McCain provides a better veggie patty for a burger than this one. So first of all, about their service, which was pretty much on time, but you have to wait, like there was a wait time for 35 minutes or so. So for the burger, I will rate it 3 out of 5. It's not that great, but for the price and overall experience, it's gonna be like 3. It's edible. You will get some sort of chips with that. So here comes our pizza, which is your paneer tikka cheese bomb. Yeah, that's the name. So you will get a mint chutney with that, and it's basically a thin crust pizza. On top of that, there's a tortilla wrap. No, sorry, tortilla sheet, I guess. Yeah. Then there's a cheese spread, which I found out later on. So pizza was decent enough, not like mind blowing or something like that, but it was good for the price. It was like 249 for the standard one, and for the cheese bomb like 75 extra. So I tried it with chutney. Like most of you guys are like, don't use ketchup or like that. So I didn't use any ketchup. So it seems to be good initially when it was warm enough. So I took like 3 slices or like that. But after on, when it was not that warm, the cheese spread between the tortilla wrap and the crust, it was like Amul cheese spread. You can literally taste it. The taste, which is Sarian taste, and it's not like the cheese which you get inside the cheese burst of Domino's. So after that, I could not eat that slice. I guess you can see that later in the video. So guys, here's the thing. I was thinking about reviewing street food and exploring, sorry, Delhi NCR. But I found out that that's not a pretty good thing for me, I guess, because I'm not good at that. So I was thinking I should start reviewing restaurant, like the good ones and the ones which I found are pretty great, and some of them which I do know provide the dishes which are actually epic. So do let me know in the comment section below, like if you guys are interested in street food, or whether the reviews of the restaurant are the best, I should say, or something which you have never tried, something like that, like something really tasty instead of street food. Because so far, as per my experience, it's all just a hype. It's not like street food is there, it's cheap, but it's not that great and not up to that hype. So I've recorded it on my phone, and I believe uh, this time the, what should I say, the camera angle is good, not that blurry or something like that, and I'm using still my phone, so it should not be a problem, I guess, so far. So if you have any comments or any views, or what should I do, or any suggestions, because I'm gonna do it like twice a month or more than that on the weekends if that's possible for me. So if you have any suggestions, like any restaurant or something like that which you want me to review or like that, do let me know in the comment section below. And for the next one, I'm gonna try for Uno Pizza and Bar, which is in Noida in Galleria Mall, I guess, or the Asian Fun, which is in Noida 62, and Cars Junior.